In this video, we are going to review how to use the Windows Update tool in Windows 7 to keep your operating system and other Microsoft software up to date. If you use Windows 8 or Windows 8.1, check out the videos Windows Update for Windows 8 and Windows Update for Windows 8.1. On the website Make Use Of, author Tina Sieber sums up the topic quite well with an article titled 3 Reasons Why You Should Be Running the Latest Windows Security Patches and Updates. Reason number 1 is to protect your system from malicious software. Reason number 2 is to resolve general Windows issues and bugs. And reason number 3 is to access new Windows and software features. If you'd like to read the article in more detail, the link will be posted in the show notes. The main purpose of this video is not to convince you to use Windows Update, but how to actually perform the updates. So let's get started. If you have Windows Update turned on, the Windows Update icon will appear in the notification area when new updates are available. Many times, updates will install in the background without any interaction on your part. Other times, if important updates were installed in the background and the computer needs to restart, you will see pop-up windows prompting you to restart the computer. Lastly, a yellow shield with an exclamation point will appear next to the word Shut Down on the power button if the computer needs to shut down in order to install new updates. To manually start Windows Update, click Start, hover over All Programs, and click Windows Update. If you have Windows Update turned on and set to install updates automatically, you should see a screen similar to this one. You can see here whether or not there are updates, when the most recent check was for updates, the last time they were installed, and which updates you receive. Click Change Settings on the left. The recommended setting for important updates is to have Install Updates Automatically selected. There are 3 other options, but this one takes care of everything and therefore is the best one to choose. The checkboxes below are not quite as important, but it is recommended to leave them all checked. Click OK to continue. You can double-check to see if your computer has the most recent updates by clicking Check for Updates. Sometimes, even if your computer initially shows that Windows Update is up to date, other updates may appear after clicking Check for Updates. Updates are categorized by importance. If an update is labeled as important or recommended, you generally want to install these. Updates that are optional will only be installed if you manually click the checkbox. In this example, there is 1 important update and 2 optional updates available. Clicking on the words "One important update is available" shows the update with the details on the right. Note that the checkbox is already checked. Clicking on the words "Two optional updates are available" again shows the updates with the details on the right. Note that because these are optional updates, you must manually click the checkbox to install them. If you don't want to install an update and you don't want to see it listed anymore, right-click on the update and select Hide Update. Note that because I did not check either of the optional updates, Windows Update shows that only 1 update is selected. To begin the updates, click Install Updates. First, a new restore point will be created. The Windows tool System Restore will allow you to restore your computer to a previous point if the new updates cause issues. After the restore point is created, updates will be installed. When finished, a message should appear that the updates were successfully installed. If the updates were unsuccessful, read the information given to determine why. Oftentimes, the computer simply needs to be restarted to finish updates. There are a few more links on the left to discuss. View Update History lists all of the updates in chronological order. Note that unless the status of an update is successful, it has not been installed on your computer. Restore Hidden Updates shows all updates that have been hidden. To restore a hidden update, click the checkbox on the left, then click Restore. Updates Frequently Asked Questions is a great place to look if you have other questions about Windows Update that are not answered in this video. Finally, Installed Updates lists all the updates successfully installed on your computer that can be uninstalled if needed. To uninstall an update, select it, then click Uninstall. In this video, we reviewed how to use the Windows Update tool in Windows 7 to keep your operating system and other Microsoft software up to date. The show notes for this video are available by clicking the link below the video. Please help to support helpfulvideotips.com by subscribing to this YouTube channel and visiting helpfulvideotips.com to follow along on social media. I'm Tom Sutton. Thank you for watching.